A little race rig action. This is what happens when your friends tell you that you gotta buy a truck and trailer so you look a little more legit. Pretty excited for this one. I'm gonna get this thing all cleaned up. Older Chevy Kodiak with a cat diesel. I know nothing about them, but we'll get it all fixed. Little preventative maintenance on the old race hauler here. Going from Plattsburgh, New York to Arizona is going to be quite the haul, so might as well just change the whole trailer completely out, I guess. Now, I am not a trailer repair man expert here, but I am not going to beat on this like a barbaric Chiwi and mush the end of that. So I went inside, cut this tube on my lathe, and now we have an install tool. Slips over, and now you're beating on that. I think you're good. Yeah, it's up all the way. You're good. Gonna put all like 3 of them just to move it. Yeah, we got some new rims and tires coming in. So this thing made it from Albany, New York to here, which is about, what, 2.5 hours?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we made it all the way here to back it into the parking lot. One of the tires fell off, so we got lucky. Would have been a nightmare if that happened on the interstate. So I believe it was this one. So I don't know if the just never got greased or what, but the bearing just completely blew out. We also noticed half the holes on the wheels were egged, so if we're gonna go to Arizona with this thing, definitely need it right. So we're replacing everything. On to the other side.
What is like 15 degrees outside?
Yeah, it's good. Perfect time. At least we got a little sunshine. It's kind of there.
We got sun on this side. What's that take up?
This truck is a little bit rough. Needs a little TLC, but man, it runs good. Cat diesel. Let's do a little cold start action here. Hey guys, we're moving out west. We're gonna be in Tucson, Arizona pretty soon. We're over the winter. We're just done with the cold. Plus we want to be closer to our customers. Most of our customers are out there. I obviously appreciate all the East Coast customers, but we will definitely be able to still ship everything. Right now we're shipping probably 90% of our products out west. And that's where our vendors are. So it only makes sense for us, instead of waiting 4 to 5 days for an axle, we can just get it next day or drive and pick it up. So definitely be on the lookout for some future videos. We'll be going over, I guess, all the steps of moving this this business out west. We're gonna be selling our current building. So if you're interested in that, give that guy a call. Pretty sweet setup. She's cold. It's probably 10 degrees today. Not plugged in. Yeah, so other than some riggers that are coming to pick our CNC machines up, we're gonna try to fit at least a quarter of the shop in this trailer. Gonna be a long adventure. About 3 to 4 days worth of driving. So this might be why the tire fell off. Nobody ever checked the wheel bearings for torque. Yep, it's scary. We'll make sure it's right. Well, got the nuts off. They're extremely yucky from, I guess, years of this grimy crap. So I'm old school, so a little bit of gasoline, some old stuff we had laying around. Just gonna get all this hardware cleaned up. I don't know if this is a how-to video or a shop update about moving, but that's what you get on a Sunday. Getting there. Brakes are on. Cleaning up the spindles. That one was a little beat up. I had to use a file on it. Gotta watch for, get a little bit of a wear ring, then your bearing won't go on all the way. Any kind of grease you guys are going to use, highly recommend the Lucas Oil products. They're awesome. This thing's definitely going to come in handy. Needs a little TLC, paint job, and some vinyl, but we're stoked on the deal we got on this thing. Yeah, LED lights all in here. Obviously the lift for the stacker part. We're hoping to fit a couple side-by-sides in here. Extension hose, extension reel, another air hose over here. It's got a generator on board up front, welder outlet here. course, you guys know I like snap-on toolboxes, so we were pumped that it had one in here. Old school snap-on box is always nice. A little more storage up here. First, it's got a couple tire racks. We're gonna convert this for a living area. More storage there. Give you guys a little view up here. Yep, pretty excited about it, guys. Can't afford one of the newer ones just yet, but this will get us by for a couple of years. We have a vinyl printer in house, so we're gonna obviously wrap our stuff and make it look cool and modern. Be on the lookout for it. Yeah, this thing is almost bigger than our building. Not really, but it's just funny to see. Of course, we still got that guy there. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today. I'll get some clips when we get the wheels on it. Not bad.
Oh, thanks, man.
Now it just has to take us all the way to Arizona.
Yo, she'll do it.